welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing I want to say it's my first official purchase from Chanel. So I do shop at our Chanel boutique in Austin. So in Austin we have one at the Domain North side. However, it's a like beauty, and then they have some accessories, and then they occasionally have like vanity cases, but it's not like a full boutique with handbags or anything. So I did purchase this at the Neiman Marcus at the Domain. So they do have a Chanel boutique inside, and they have handbags and clothes available as well as SLGs. And I purchased the SLG that I have always wanted, and I will get into that after the unboxing. So let's open this up and then we'll go over details, why I purchased it, and then what fits inside. Okay, so here it is. So I purchased the classic card holder. I personally always viewed the Chanel classic card holder as like the ultimate SLG. So to me, this is the ultimate SLG, and I absolutely love it. So this is the Caviar. So I purchased the Caviar because it'll be a little bit more durable. With the lambskin, I know that you could definitely see like scratches, wear and tear, etc. And with the Caviar, I feel as if it's a lot more durable. So I purchased the Caviar. And then a little bit on this. So I was looking at the Louis Vuitton card holders, and it was a little bit more obviously than Louis Vuitton. And by a little bit more, I do mean double. So the one that I was looking at is half the cost, but this one is a lot more functional. So you have a pocket in the back to hold a card. So here is the authenticity card. So you can just slide like a few cards in here. So maybe like your license if you're going out, so you can just easily show your ID or your debit card, so you don't have to open this up. But this card holder opens up and you have a slot up front. You have that burgundy interior, and then you have all of this room in here to fit so many different cards. You have the name up here with the logo, and I just thought this was so much more functional. I was looking at the card holder, and I was also looking at a wallet, and so this was in between both cost options. And I've always wanted the classic handbag in the black Caviar, so I figured if I get this now, it'll be perfect for when I do eventually purchase the bag, and it'll match. So I went ahead and I just got this because I just thought it was perfect for what I was looking for. So if you've been following my channel, you know that I use the Louis Vuitton PM Agenda as my wallet, and I just want something smaller. I've been using a lot of like clutches and like mini bags, and I also use like my pochette accessory a lot, and so it fits, but it's just so big, and I'd rather just have something smaller. So I was looking for a card holder, and so I figured I'm just gonna get the one that I've always wanted, and I am just so happy that I did. But yeah, this is the black Caviar classic card holder from Chanel, and I am just so excited that I have this. So this will be my wallet going forward. I barely use cash anymore, and so when I was looking at getting an actual wallet, I just realized I just need something to hold my cards, and so I just wanted something a little bit more functional and nicer than the key pouch, and I thought this was perfect. So I think this is a perfect wallet, especially for the 21st century. Like, no one really carries around cash. I feel like I'm one of the last few people that do, and I'm okay with just like tucking it in here. You really just need a card holder. So I got this, and again, just absolutely love it. Cannot wait to use it. And so I'm just gonna grab a few cards to show y'all what can fit. I'm not gonna like stuff it, but I just want y'all to just get an idea. I want to also show y'all how it fits in a few bags. So this is the pochette accessory from Louis Vuitton, and so I take this with me everywhere because it's perfect if I need just like a clutch. So I keep the strap in there, and then I have a clutch if it's in like my tote or a larger bag. So as I mentioned, the PM Agenda like fits perfectly in here. Like, I can use it, but then that takes up a lot of space, and clutches, it takes up a lot of space, as opposed to just having a card holder. And then I have so much more room in here. It'll close easier. I can get smaller bags. I can even put it in this way and fit even more. So I just thought it was perfect for that reason. But I'm just gonna grab my cards and then show y'all what it looks like in here. Here is the key pouch from Louis Vuitton as well, just for a size comparison. So let me show y'all that. So the key pouch is just like, I want to say barely a centimeter longer, but the Chanel is taller, and so it's also a little bit thicker. That is one thing, that it's not really thin, but that's fine. I love the padding and the look of this because it makes it feel more like a wallet than the key pouch if I were to use this as a wallet. This is perfect for like holding all the extras, but this is going to be my primary wallet. So I have a few things. So I have my driver's license, some debit cards, I have a gift card from Nordstrom, and then let me also grab my Target card and my Nordstrom card. So I'm only going to use this for my most used cards. So I might not even use Target because I don't really use my card that much, because I use the app more. And then I think same with the insurance cards. You never really need them, but it's something that it's nice to have on you. So I think I'm going to put those in there. But I'm going to put my student ID in here. So I have 6 cards, and we're just going to put them in the back, let's say. So I'm going to keep my ID probably up front, and then I'm going to keep the other cards back here. I also have some cash, so $45 in cash that I'm just going to keep in here as well. So I can keep a compartment for cash, a compartment for cards, and then I have like my ID up front, or I can keep my ID again, as I said, in here. I'm probably not going to keep the authenticity card in here, but here's everything that I have inside, and as y'all can see, it fits perfectly, and it didn't even like bulge up. But yeah, other than that, that is the classic card holder from Chanel. That is how I'm using it. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.